how to fix secondary verification in Binance. Now, you may lost to access to FA, Google Authentication or SMS. Now, step number one, how to fix that. So open the Binance app and go to the login page. Now, after that, tap on security, verification unavailable. Now, step number two, select your issue, example, lost access to Google Authenticator, and you will be prompted for email verification. Now, step number three, complete the verification process. You may need to upload a selfie and ID. Now, step number four, wait for review. Usually it will take between 24 to 48 hours, and once approved, you will reset the 2FA. Now, step number five, set up a new 2FA method, Google Authentication or SMS, is by going to your icon, as you can see, profile, and tap on your name here, and now go and click on security. As you can see here, you have these options here. Wait a few seconds. You have this option here to be able to set the 2FA authentication. As you can see, if you click the authentication app, you will be able to click on enable, and now you can enable it by selecting the Google Authenticator. If you want to select your, as you can see, by phone number, you can receive the SMS by then. Now, after that, so fill the QYC or ID verification. Now, first of all, what you need to do is by going to your profile, identity verification. As you can see, because I am verified, I can be able to see there is an issue. So if you have an issue, you can solve that by providing, as you can see, uploading a clear high quality documents, example ID or passport. Now, ensure all ages and details are visible. Now, step number three, complete the facial verification with the app. So follow on-screen instruction that they will give you. Now, step number four, wait 24 to 48 hours for review, and you will get a notification once done. Now, after that, the code not arriving issue. So step number one, check spam junk folders in email or SMS. And after that, tap on recent code after waiting 60 seconds. So step number three, sync phone time by enable auto time settings. And step number four, switch to Google Authenticator for more reliable verification. Now, if you're still stuck, contact Binance support. This is the only and the last solution. So go to support and live chat or submit a ticket. You can now just by clicking on the settings here in this gear settings. So after you click on it, just scroll down and you can now click on help support, and now click on the help center, and from here you can submit your ticket from here, as you can see. So as you can see, this is how to fix secondary verification in Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.